In this video, I'll show you how to embed a video in Mailchimp. So here I was working on some campaigns. So I'll click on campaigns here from the left-hand panel. We'll go ahead and edit this one right here. Come here and click on edit design under content. Now to add a video is very easy. Here under add, so you see this plus icon, we can add blocks of content, right? So here we have a video. All you need to do is drag it. So I'll drag it right here and we'll get rid of this image thing. So you're not really using this. I'll delete that. Okay, you can just press the delete button or click on remove block. All right, so I'll click on this video block. And here you can see we can go ahead and enter a video URL. So I'll come back here on our channel. Let's say I want to go ahead and upload this one. So I'll right click, I'll copy the link address. As you can see, link was copied. I'll paste this URL right here. Okay. And of course, we're going to be using the source thumbnail, so that is okay. And if you want, you can always replace it and you can change the alignment, everything like that. And once you're happy with it, you can come here and preview this as well. So let's see what it would look like. So someone can come here and click on this. Just like that, it would open up a new link. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.